In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to decide between Zapier and Microsoft Power Automate by understanding their core strengths and how they align with your business's existing technology and future needs. Both of these platforms offer powerful no-code automation capabilities, but they are designed for different environments and use cases. To help you make the best choice, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two automation giants. Let's start with integrations and ecosystems. Zapier truly shines here. With a diverse library of over 8,000 integrations, it connects seamlessly with a vast array of web applications. From popular productivity tools like Google Sheets and Slack to niche marketing and e-commerce platforms, Zapier has you covered. So, if your company relies on a mix of various SaaS tools that need to communicate with one another, Zapier stands out as the more flexible option. In contrast, Power Automate is deeply entrenched within the Microsoft ecosystem. Its strong suit lies in its seamless integration with Microsoft 365 apps, such as Outlook, SharePoint, Teams, Excel, and Dynamics 365. Although it does support a variety of third-party apps, the most robust experiences are found when you're automating within the Microsoft suite. To sum up, Zapier is the go-to choice for connecting a diverse range of third-party apps, while Power Automate excels if your company is heavily invested in Microsoft products. Next, we'll explore workflow complexity and features. Zapier is celebrated for its simplicity and user-friendly interface, designed for quick, straightforward automations. While it's capable of handling multi-step workflows, conditional logic, and filters, it may become cumbersome for highly complex, multi-layered processes. On the other hand, Power Automate is built with advanced and enterprise-level automation in mind. It boasts powerful features such as robotic process automation, RPA, which enables the automation of desktop tasks, even for legacy software or applications without APIs. Additionally, its AI Builder allows for the integration of artificial intelligence capabilities, like form processing and text analysis. Moreover, Power Automate provides comprehensive logic tools for creating complex branching logic and business process flows. Therefore, for organizations requiring advanced, high-volume, and complex automations, Power Automate is undoubtedly the better choice. Now, let's touch on ease of use and learning curve. Zapier's no-code approach and intuitive visual builder make it incredibly inviting for beginners and non-technical users. You can whip up a basic Zap in minutes, even without prior training. In contrast, Power Automate, despite its modern interface, presents a steeper learning curve. Its complexity, particularly for features like RPA, often makes it more suitable for IT professionals or users already familiar with the Microsoft ecosystem. Thus, for ease of use and accessibility, Zapier is the clear champion for the average user. Finally, we arrive at pricing and business models. Zapier's pricing is straightforward, based on the number of tasks you use per month. While this model is easy to understand, it can become expensive as your automation needs grow. In contrast, Power Automate offers a variety of licensing models, including per-user and per-flow plans. For companies already using Microsoft 365, some basic features might be included, making it a more cost-effective enterprise solution. However, the pricing structure can be complex. For large enterprises using Microsoft 365, Power Automate often proves more integrated and cost-effective, whereas small businesses might find Zapier's transparent pricing predictable, although potentially pricey with scale. In conclusion, choose Zapier if you're a freelancer or a small business needing to connect various third-party SaaS apps quickly and easily. Conversely, Power Automate is ideal for organizations deeply embedded in Microsoft products, requiring complex, enterprise-grade workflows with robust security and compliance needs.